everybody, Betsy here at Tonkadale. I want to talk to you about our brand new cactus mix that just hit the shelves last week. Our sixth and final recipe rendition has pumice, perlite, bark fines, and bark chunks, as well as worm castings for a little bit of nutrition. So it's perfectly blended and you can use it right out of the bag for all of your cacti and succulent friends. So I'm going to show it to you guys and you can come along and help me repot a couple of succulents. Today we are going to put these two buddies in one pot together, and I'm just going to go no gloves because I like to live dangerously. We're going to take some of this deliciousness and we're just going to put it a little bit in the bottom of the pot. So chunky, so fluffy. Loosen the roots a little bit, maybe a little more soil in the bottom because we want to lift it up a little bit. So she can go right there. This is a tephro cactus. It's called pine cone cactus, aptly named because it looks like pine cones. We're putting them in the pot, snug as a bug together. There's plenty of room in the bottom to grow. And then we're gonna fill in around the sides with more of this chunky deliciousness. This is so pretty. You don't need a soil topper, but I'm gonna dress her up because she deserves it. And then I think we're gonna do pink soil topper because pink looks really good with the orange terracotta. So we've got this delicious pink Sedona red soil topper from Soul Soils. And we're just gonna put this around the side. Oh, and I think it looks really good with that kind of blue, gray, green situation that this plant is giving right now. Gorgeous. Let's keep the good times going. Let's do another one. Next, we're gonna do this chunky yet funky euphorbia. She is everything. We're gonna take some of this, put it in the bottom. Oh, it smells good. It smells like the forest. So to get this out of the pot, I just kind of gently laid it on its side and just kind of pushed on the plastic nursery pot a little bit, and that makes it so you can just slide the plant right out. So we've got a nice bit of margin around the side so that this guy can grow even bigger and more lovely. And we're just gonna take this by the handful and put it all the way around the sides. That beautiful, the bark we had all screened so that it's really kind of nice and even. And it seems like it's large, but that does really help with the drainage. That the soil mix isn't hanging on to too much water because succulents, cacti, euphorbia, they like thorough watering, but really infrequent watering. So all of the ingredients that are in here are going to provide a lot of good drainage, which is really gonna help, especially in our winter months when you're gonna downtick the watering quite a bit. But this is gonna be amazing. You could have this right outside. In the summer, I move all of my euphorbia outside and they love it. And they actually grow so much that I have one that I think I have to cut down. And I don't know if I have the heart, but I have to be strong and just do it. Euphorbias come in all shapes and sizes, all variations. They are all related to each other. They're incredibly cool. But one thing that you really need to be aware of with these euphorbia is that the sap can be really highly irritant for some people. Some people are so sensitive that even if it gets on their skin, it can be a problem. I do not have that problem. That's why I went no gloves. For example, if you get it in your eye, that feels like what I can imagine getting pepper sprayed feels like. So you do want to make sure, if you think you have sensitivities to it, make sure you're wearing gloves, make sure you're wearing eye protection, because you have to do a serious eye rinse if you do get it in your eyes. But in a lot of cases, the risk is worth the reward because look at her. There you have it. If you have any questions about our cactus mix, you can email us, hello@Tonkadale. You can check out our blog that we are publishing. It's got all the details on the ingredients and a how-to of how to plant your succulents and cacti. And as always, see you at Tonkadale.